Hello guys, this is Vinay Kandala, a software professional, a public speaker, and a career strategist. Today in this video, I'm going to share you knowledge on how to install Oracle 10G database in your local system. So for this, we need the software, right? So let me show you the software. Yeah. So we need this particular software, 10.211 database Win32. So the same software holds good for Windows 32 and Windows 64-bit operating systems. So this is the software. Now, once you have this done, just double click on this one. You will get a window like this, followed by this window, Oracle Database 10G installation. So basic installation is already checked in, so let it be. And Oracle home location. So you will have this Oracle home location DB2. So by default, it chooses one location. You can put it in any other location as well, but let the default location be like that. Okay. Here you have global database name. So this database name is ORCL. It's default. We can give a password here, database password. Okay. We can give password like something like Oracle or something, any password you can give. Okay, and confirm the same password. When you give these two, this next button gets enabled. Just click on the next, and when you are connecting, see, this password is used for system, sysman, or DBS and NP accounts. So we can have, so system will be the user, and the password is the password that we are giving here. Okay, just click on next, and just click on next, and click on install. Okay, as this database is already installed, I'm not clicking on the install again. So just click on the install. Okay, now once you install it, so it told in the D drive Oracle folder will be there, right? So Oracle product 10.10 DB1. Okay, so this folder gets installed. Okay, once you install it, you will get this folder. Next, we need to check the connection now. So for checking the connection, we need a software, SQL developer. So this is the one. So we need this software, SQL developer. Okay, so this SQL developer, you don't need to install it. You just you'll just get the dump of this software and just do a right click on this application and go to send to and click on create shortcut to desktop. That's all. So this gets installed and you will have an icon present over here. You can also check the connection from this as well. Start Oracle 10G home application and this one. From here also you can check. You can give the username password and check it. This is one way of checking. Another way is by installing the SQL developer. So we'll just run this. So once you open this, we need to establish a connection. So before this, we will click on these connections, do a right click on the connection, you will find this one, just select new connection. So when you select a new connection, you will get all these things. So give a connection name. This is some user defined connection name, any name you can give. And username is the system. Password is the password which we have given while installation. Save the password and give the host name here. Okay. And port and SID or service name. Either of these two is okay. Now, how to give this host name? We will just check that. Now, this is the database. Okay. Okay, this got installed here, right? Oracle product and fundamental DB1. Here, when you go here, you'll have a folder called network. From there, admin. Okay. Once you click on TNS names, you will have this host name. So give this IP, host IP, and 1521 is the port, and ORCL is the service name, right? So we will just check the connection now. Just click on this. Let me check the property. Yeah. So this is Oracle. Anything can be doing. Username is the system, and password is the password we gave while installation. And this is the TNS name. From here, it's the TNS name like this. This is the IP 192.168.0.8 and 1521 and ORCL. Okay, so this is the service name. Once you give all these details, the first thing that we do is the test the connection. So we need to get success here. Okay, if we get any error here, we need to check these connections basically. Okay, so here it's successful, so I'm just connecting it. Fine. Now the first thing is, once we connect, we will just test with one table, okay, which is a standard table. So select star from PNP. Okay, we are getting the data. Once we get the data, then we can actually write any kind of queries and then keep learning. Now, if we don't get the data, what we do is we will just check where this EMP table is. Select star from all tables where table name like EMP. So we'll just check who is the owner of this table. Okay. If the table exists, but the owner is Scott. Okay. So what we do is, but we have logged in with system. If you see here, see, we have logged in with system. Now the system should have the privileges to execute this. So what we do is we'll just create a synonym for this. This is the syntax. We'll just create a synonym. Create or replace synonym. Synonym name is SYSEM because for this user we wanted. So system dot emp for Scott. So this is Scott dot emp. Okay, just we will execute this. So synonym emp created. Now when you click on this, you will get to see all the data. So this is how it should appear. Now you can start working on this database. You can start executing all the commands. Now for the softwares, see, these are the softwares which we require. Okay, so this Oracle. So this one and this one, we require these two softwares for this. So you will get these two softwares in the internet. You can just Google it. In case you don't find it, you can just drop me a mail. I'll share you the software. You can just write a mail to Unice Learn Grow. Right? So this is the email ID. You can just drop a mail asking for the softwares. So I'll be sharing you the softwares and will be helping you with the installation. You can check this video for help on the installation. So now it's all set. Your database is set and you can start working on it. So happy working on SQL, guys. Cheers.